Are you ready to go in general?
Yeah, have to go.
Hi. Pada.
No other choice. Have no other choice.
It depends on the length, da. See, there only end will be there. Ah,
And that
there. This one
I
you're
put
saying,
no.
like this.
I mentioned you.
Oh, it's leaving.
Reverse.
Yeah, it came like this. It'll go like that. Hindupur is that side.
Oh yeah, it's suburban.
Yeah, this is suburban. It's not express. Where is
So
Hindupur?
in Markali, if it happens, it will be like this.
Yeah.
Yes, you know, if it happens.
Mm.
Please get arm moving.
They're slowing down. Signal.
Stopping.
Signal. Damn. Nice, no? 36 kilometers you run. 36 kilometers you run. Like that?
Hey, why?
Flash is on. How do you feel? We're going to get inside general.
Just get a seat. Sit.
We should get seat. No, there's already so much people. Fruit salad ಬೇಕಾ? Fruit salad ಬೇಕಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? Fruit salad. What do you feel there? Nothing. Waste fry. They're in Ascol, you know.
You have to keep it.
Yeah. They're in Ascol ticket. Yeah, road to be, no. Yeah, road to be. That's the platform.
This side. Only one side.
only one platform.
In Udupi.
Two will be there.
Mainly one.
There also people are there. Should make that guy up.
We have to wait.
எங்கடா போற? ஓய்.
Can't go. Have to walk around.
Yeah, wait. Station kept. Make him up there.
पंचगंगा सुपरफास्ट एक्सप्रेस प्लेटफॉर्म संख्या दूसरे यहाँ की गाड़ी नंबर 16595 है। इस गाड़ी से पधारे यात्रियों का यहाँ हम हार्दिक स्वागत करते हैं। May I have your attention please? Number 56555 पंचगंगा सुपरफास्ट एक्सप्रेस
Yes, man.
Finally Udupi. Let's go. Which side?
That side only you should go.
Have everything, no?
Yeah. Only bag I have.
Bag only. In bag everything you have, no?
I didn't open bag only. I have it. We'll sit for some time.
Next to an experience.
Yeah, man.
I don't know how much sleep I have.
You slept enough.
Already I feel tired. I do that, but my energy levels are high.
Yeah, same. I can go. See, only till here full rush. From there and all, it's peaceful.
Oh,
Go.
later if we don't know exit over there.
What is there? Exit already now.
Exit obviously we will get to know, but still.
See?
Open Google.
Maps for what?
Where we go now?
First I have to pee.
Where?
And then I have to brush my teeth.
Where will you?
We'll do somewhere, wait. So... This is station, right?
They're close by.
So we have to walk 4 kilometers.
Yeah, we'll walk.
Put walk da. You see how far the walking is. 45 minutes, man.
That's what. You don't want to go now, you know, for food. Slowly we can go now.
Yeah, fine. But we have to walk in that forest.
Hey, what forest that this is? This is forest for you.
Hey, one building you tell da. Where is one building you show? I'll tell you.
Building it.
Fuck, safety da. No, you go, you walk, you walk.
Safe,
Some leopard will come inside.
Leopard and all. Here, what leopard? Pakkar. You
No,
don't tell all
Pavi.
bullshit. It's safe, man. Come. See,
Fine.
main road. Once you join the main road, it'll be the
45 minutes you're walking. Walk, come.
46. That is.
46
Okay,
hours.
okay. This is inside one. No need to go by inside one.
Then
Main only will go. Top.
auto you ask how much?
You can, but now what will be going so soon? Anyways,
Fine da, come da, walk da.
you tell.
Come, we'll walk.
Pakka no.
Pakka.
Morning walk you can do.
Pakka. Morning, early morning, dark walk we're doing. Come.
Isn't
Oh,
that dark,
Bhavi.
man? Now only sunrise will happen. Now in the 15 minutes.
Hey, see the road, man.
Hey,
You-
people are there, man. Come, man.
One knife he'll show. Give all your money, he'll tell. What he'll do. I don't have cash also.
Nothing. We don't have. I tell you, students we are. What we have. Ooh. Early morning jogging and walking.
Walking.
We are not jogging. Udupi. Hi.
Why do you get weird? As soon as I open the camera, you start saying weird things. Normally, you'll be talking.
Yeah, normally.
And then suddenly, you'll be like, oh, yeah, Udupi is something.
Nice vibes.
Yeah, bro.
Evening it will be fun.
Hmm.
So I guess you have to go to beach twice.
Both will go. Morning view, evening view. I want
that's
sunset.
what, that's
Sunset
what.
view also I want.
Sunrise, I don't think we can go now. Unless you get the vehicle. You check the
Price, sir.
No, location.
It's
I'll
near
check.
there only, bro. Once we reach main
location you
road.
see.
RR bikes, no, it's near there only. Now you tell.
Where are we going now?
Udupi.
Udupi. Udupi. We are in Udupi now.
Main city. This is highway. Wow, this is Udupi for
This is
you.
Udupi hogida. Place is Udupi hogi.
Okay, guys.
Now where we are going exactly? Tell that.
What is that hotel name?
You tell.
Yeah, I forgot that.
Mitra Samaj.
Mitra Samaj. We're going to have masala dosa.
First time is what?
First thing in the morning, we are walking 6 kilometers.
4.
4.5. Round of 6. Round of 6 kilometers we're walking to go to have breakfast.
I mean, early morning there won't be any hotels.
We didn't even shit, bro.
Left side is here, man.
Yeah.
Good city. Liking it.
6 kilometers நடக்க வச்சேட்டு வந்தான் இவன் 6 kilometers you made me walk morning
What is the 6 step? 4, that's all.
6 round off da you always round off the amount of times you walk round up understood
You do it.
what
Rounding.
that's what I told no 6 kilometers
For me it's 4, that's all.
4
I'm rounding it down.
show how far it is exactly
Now it's 1.1.
no da total from station how much you walk that time how much it showed 4.8 no?
4.8 around.
and 5 you round it no
But I take it as 4. 800 meters now is not far.
extra 200 meters if we added 5 kilometers no anyway
It is, but for me
Then-
800 is just like 0.
anyways
The vibe. Dogs are peacefully sleeping. Feels so good. Even while walking. third is small. That's all. Half of these assholes who threw garbage here.
It reminds us of our college, man.
I thought it was clean water. No, I think it's clean water.
I'm getting college flashbacks.
No, there's no smell, huh? I don't think it's more.
It's Leslie. That's it.
Hmm?
Nothing.
College place that thing doesn't leave us, you know. Wherever we go, you see that.
Wherever we go,
But I'm not sure if it is actually that more.
if you see drainage, it's college.
I don't think it is drainage.
Nice there. Nice road there. This is so peaceful. Why so much rush hotel?
People also.
I think we reached.
Normal, yeah, we are.
I think we reached.
Yeah, we reached.
This
No, it's
only.
peaceful here.
This only.
No.
Hmm?
It's far there. Here it's starting. Lovely. Oh, that's really good. What?
We're going to Maple Beach now.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we wasted half day.
I don't know. We were just waiting in the queue whole day.
Oh man, so horrible it was. How do you find Udupi so far?
Hey, Udupi city is really good.
Yeah man, I love
This
Udupi.
feels like my native.
So
Doesn't feel
hot.
Like,
Like Chennai it is.
not so hot, but yeah, it feels more
45 degrees.
like, it just feels like home, bro.
Yeah,
Doesn't feel like I'm going to some foreign state.
nice area this is. I
Yeah.
love the place.
Feels so good. Oh, truck. Hey, bus stand we asked, bus stand.
Where is the bus stand?
ಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬೀಚ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬಲ್ಪಿ ಬೀಚ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಲ್ಬೇಕು.
Thanks uncle.
ಇಲ್ಲೇನು? ಓ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಓಕೆ ಬೀಚ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ಅದೇ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
So we're trying to find a bus to Malpe Beach. Maple Beach.
ಯಾ ಮೇಪಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಲ್ಪೇಡ್.
Malpe. But it's called Maple in English.
ನೋ ಮಲ್ಪೆ ಅವನು.
Hey, in Google Maps it was Maple.
ಮಲ್ಪೇಡ್.
Find Malpe Beach. We're going to Malpe Beach.
From
And
there
then-
St. Mary's Island probably evening. Evening we go to St. Mary's Island.
Yeah, man.
Now it's afternoon. Now
Evening
it's
we'll go.
afternoon. We'll go to St. Mary's Island at
Same
evening.
minutes.
And then we'll play in beach.
Island.
Yeah, it's an island.
Oh yeah, you go by boat, no?
Yeah. There's a ferry.
Ah.
I
Oh yeah,
think it'll be like around 100 rupees or 75 something.
we'll go that then first.
Now no need. Now not worth it.
Then?
That time sunset time best. Now it'll be too hot. You won't be able to go.
But sunset time it will be crowded, no? We won't get ferry only.
Let's go. No man, ferry is you don't have to worry about that. Ferry many are there.
Okay, fine.
I think 3 or 4 they have.
Ah.
A round trip they'll be doing once after other. One
Oh,
after
it's like
other.
you'll go and come back.
Yeah.
You can't go inside
See,
the-
one will go.
Ah.
People who are returning, they bring them back.
Okay,
So
fine.
it's like cycle.
Understood.
There we have time like around half an hour or something to be in the.
Malpe Beach, St. Mary's Island, we are coming.
Yeah. And then many other places are there. We don't know how to visit. We have to see. We don't have vehicle right now.
We don't have a
Oh,
vehicle.
bus stand here only.
Yeah, this is the bus stand.
Oh, nice.
Nice bus stop, bro.
Feels like native place.
Yeah, da, it's near to Shimoga.
Yeah.
See, petrol bunk also so cute it is. So small.
Oh. Actually, in my native only it's hard to go. Sometimes buses are hard. You won't find buses every time. Maybe once in half an hour, 1 hour it will be. Or 45 minutes.
Ask if it goes Malpe Beach. Malpe. Ask, come this side, da. Okay, that side.
Last bus stand. Somewhere that side.
Go, go, go. These are all private buses, huh?
Yeah, here all private buses only.
Why? There is no
In my
like
native also the same. Private buses, no this thing. Normal.
no BMTC here.
No, what BMTC? Either it will be that some RTC it will be. Why beach ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ?
Baro. That side you come down. Beach there, daddy. Beach.
It's hot there.
How much fine? Window seat you are getting, no?
Seat is small.
Kannada song, no? Kannada song, da? Old song.
I can't repost this thing.
Why, da? Delete.
Okay, leave no.
Repost and tag, mention it separately, that's all.
What I have to do is I have to select the guy. Why this?
ಬೋಟಿನ ಸ್ಥಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಸಹ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಟ ಆಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಬೋಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಸ್ಥಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಸಹ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಟ ಆಡಬಾರ್ದು. ತಪ್ಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇ ಅನಾಹುತ ಆದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ.
Slowly remove together, da. 3, 2, 1. When I say, we'll remove together, okay? 3, 2, 1.
Wait. Okay.
I won't count. It won't look good on video. You only remove.
Hard, but for me more hard. What type of video? I stopped it.
Hey, wait, Dad, not like that. You hold like this, okay? Exposure should be down. When I'm walking, only like my silhouette should be seen.
Okay.
Do something, da. Do something. See for you how nice I'm taking. For me how you are.
In Mary's Island.
This guy wants to wear his chappal. We'll see. We'll see his condition after some time. We'll see that.
That's all.
We'll see. We'll see.
Ticket.
Take video on your phone.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮುಂದೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಅದು ಬೋಟ್ ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮುಂದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಹಿಂದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಮುಂದೆ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. ಅದು ಬೋಟ್ ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಮುಂದೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಜೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಬೋಟ್ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬನ್ನಿ. 2 ನಿಮಿಷ. ಜೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಜೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಜೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ 2 ನಿಮಿಷ.
Here also same thing.
Not like island only, normal shops are there.
Yeah, it's good. That side it's small like that.
Huh.
Andaman also like this one. What is the other one? Lakshadweep also.
What is that to spend 1 hour here?
Look around, see those stones. Those stones are really different. You don't find it everywhere.
St. Mary's Island.
ನೋಡೋಣ ನಿಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ ರೋಶಿನಿ ಇದು ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್
Take a video.
Yeah.
See that rock.
See that one tap, full plastic bottle it's spitting out. What message are you giving to society when you see that?
That's what they wanted it with them. To give a message.
That's what message? That you
Not-
should
Do not
drink
dump,
plastic.
Do not dump plastic.
You should drink plastic. Plastic is coming out, that means you have to drink plastic.
Yeah. Don't dump plastic.
Crazy, no? Come, will here nice pictures will come down.
That's what sexy pictures.
Come. Timer, Albert.
Yeah, keep timer down. And both should be seen there. So keep it in that way and come up here this side. And pose get me. Other side.
Where the fuck the timer?
Hey, middle button da. Middle button first thing is timer only.
Lens retraction is there.
Pakke, first thing top.
Okay, self timer, no?
Self timer. That keep it to 10 seconds.
5 seconds is not there.
Huh?
5 seconds is not
Then
there.
you keep that. What's the issue? You need time here, no? Come. You come da. Too slow is coming. Hey, pose get me da.
Wait.
What is this?
I'll keep
I'm
again,
doing
wait.
one pose,
I'll keep again, wait, don't worry.
Huh?
I'll keep photo again, don't worry, wait. This thing, this
Burning hot da.
childra.
We are going, but how will we stay, man?
There, waiting room. We can't do anything.
Fine. I have to inform my dad saying Monday morning.
Tell Naresh dad, my dad booked off.
Come here, man.
Where dad's bringing
Yeah. Done. Fuck it. I'm telling you, press and come here. As soon as you press, you come. No, press, man. Come now, come. Do the pose what I'm doing, other side. You be that. You don't know how to click. You know what? We'll do collaboration post. One collaboration post. Yeah. From railway station to this place. Yeah, B. I'll come there. That's all. It's nice. No, why is my speed? I was trying to. I'm trying. Wait. What happened? Oi,
What the?
take this side. I'm also coming.
I'm seeing that. Till then, my video is going on.
Okay.
Get some shot.
I start now.
Yeah.
Pose. Yeah, come. Enough. You go there.
I'll take one picture. Can't go home.
What the hero?
Oh,
See here.
nice. There we'll go. Come.
Bro one's candid, no? Okay.
Candid means when I'm walking randomly without me knowing you should take. You can't come in front of me and call it candid.
Now it's video, no? You can
Yeah.
stop and take photo
Yeah.
if it's good. Aha.
I'm just missing that.
I know that.
You told aha and took video there.
Yeah, that's what.
One picture I wanted with you and this
I
thing.
don't want.
Show here, like that's all. Remember how we are standing, like that only we should stand.
Sexy photo. I like this one very much. These photos are very good.
Yeah, it's nice. I'm a very good photographer. Yeah, you are also very good.
You see, boys are also there, but
Tell again. Tell that.
fuck you, I didn't know you were recording. Dangerous spot.
Lighthouse.
Dangerous spot it seems. No entry, dead.
Someone would have died there. That's why.
Dangerous spot. What is danger?
Dangerous. Crazy, no?
Again, the recording silence.
Who? Me?
Hey, that thing looks very weird.
Which thing?
That stone.
What? That one?
Ah,
Ah, it looks okay. Because of your mind only, that is.
yeah, man, yeah.
ये ऊपर नहीं चढ़ना
What is that?
अंकल टैटू करेगा
Hold this. It's already recording.
Wait.
Crazy, da. My God.
All you can see is
Yeah, our face won't see.
we can't. But probably you can take it. Yeah, for me. See?
Hold. Careful. Let it keep running.
I didn't.
Ask if you can set it up.
No.
Just ask. Can you set the thing silently?
You won't let us. Anyways, all these people will go up after Toronto. We'll have full empty.
And it will be more scary. So it will be better to sit here.
Why will it be scary? Again, trains will keep coming after half an hour. Every half an hour.
Okay.